Sam Milby and Bea Alonzo, a power tandem, a much-awaited comeback. 3 years ago, naging malapit sila sa isa't isa sa Close to You.
Puntahan kita doon?
Oh, sige. I'll see you then.
Ngayon, patuloy ang pag-iibigan, patuloy ang pagmamahala ni Bea at Sam sa isang bago at walang hanggang kwento ng pag-ibig, ang And I Love You So.
Sabi niya, hindi niya ako iiwan.
The sudden end of a perfect love.
Most people my age, ngayon palang nagpapakasal. Samantalang ako, nakapagpalibing na ng asawa. Haba pa ng buhay ko, but I've already lost the one person worth living for.
Can be the unexpected beginning of another.
What's this?
Guess they are.
What else starts with the letter G? Guapo!
Lonely life has been. But life began again.
Nagtataksil ba ako sa asawa ko? Paano ka magtataksil sa asawa mo? Wala ka nang asawa.
On its 16th anniversary, Star Cinema proudly brings an extraordinary story of everlasting love.
First time natin isa-celebrate ang birthday ni Oliver na wala na siya. Nakalimutan mo?
Ikaw pa simple ka.
Si Sino mo yun, di ba? Si Lara?
Parang gusto ko nang maniwala sa sinabi ni Audrey na pinalitan mo na nga daw ang anak ko. It's so easy for you. Siguro nga dahil 5 buwan lang kayong kasal.
Kung pwede lang sana, I had 5 more days, 5 more years, 5 more lifetimes with him. You may have loved him longer, but that doesn't mean I loved him any less. Nagpapakamatay ka ba?
Why not? Maybe you care more about me if I die.
Stop it!
No! Don't you get it? I love you.
Tigilan mo na ako.
Just say that you love me too.
Ayoko. Kasi masyado mo akong pinapasaya, nakakalimutan ko siya. Ayokong kalimutan ang asawa ko.
She still loves you. You gotta move on.
Ayoko na.
For me, Sam Milby, Derek Ramsey, and Bea Alonzo.
Pagod na ako maging malungkot. Ang hirap naman maging masaya kasi nananakit ka ng ibang tao.
A love story that tells us not to be afraid to fall in love again and again.
People ask me.
I love her. I love her more.
How I live till now.
I love him so much.
Tell them.
And I Love You So. Directed by Laurenti Giochi, August 12, 2009.
Kaibigan, live on the bus, Bea Alonzo, Sam Milby.
Napakaganda.
Hi.
Nakapokus ako ng gusto na panood ko.
Sit down. Welcome to the bus. Sit down.
Napakaganda.
Ganda, nakakaya.
Hindi nangangahulugan that I loved him longer.
Hindi.
What's the
I
line?
loved him longer,
You may
but
have
it doesn't mean I
that-
loved him less.
Alam mo, talagang nakaka-touch kasi, alam mo, I've been with Bea sa isang project, I Love Daddy La Fea, and talagang masasabi ko, napakahusay niyang umarte. Talagang, nadadala ako. Pag sinabi ni direct action, wala pang 1 minute, tumutulo na yung luha niya. So, kailangan habulin ko yung mga luha ko.
I didn't see Bea there. I saw, what's the name of your character?
Lara.
Huh?
Lara.
The sense of truth is so
Oo,
strong.
si Lara ang naramdaman
The sense of
ko.
truth is so
Thank
strong.
you. Actually, malaking tulong talaga si Direk Loren. Kasi sabi ko, parang siya
Hi, Direk.
guardian angel sa akin. Direk Loren. Kasi, alam mo yung, pati nakikita ko lang siya, parang na-reminisce ko na yung nung bata ako, nung humble beginnings ko. And so, parang na-feel ko na real ako ulit and raw. So,
Matagal kayo nagsama ni Loren, no? He's a big part of your life.
Siya yung mentor ko talaga.
Okay, you were introduced in what movie? Close to You, remember?
Close to You.
And then you were together, right?
Apa.
Pero you were not with Bea. This is the first movie you're
First
doing
movie,
together
pair up.
na kayo ang magkatambal. And it's a mature role pa. Okay, so how is it? How is it, Sam?
Well,
Sasagot mo.
well, yeah, it is our first mature movie. For me, my first mature movie. First time na magtutupi si Bea. Yes naman.
No, and also let's talk about the
Binayaran ko
love
lahat ng
scene na
yan.
napostpone ng maraming beses.
And then finally
Sinadya
nakunan
niya.
niya.
Sinadya ni Bea?
Sinadya niya.
Ay, hindi ko sinadya. Ikaw,
Why?
ikaw
Why
yung
was it
matagalan.
Tapos
delayed?
gusto niya
Why?
mag-rehearse pa.
Wait, Sam.
Sam,
Rehearsal mo nga yan.
rehearsal pa.
Delay daw.
Habang nagsiset up, rehearsal tayo.
Nakailang take ba yung kissing scene? Ilang take?
Takes yan.
Hindi ko na po nabigyan.
Marami?
Hindi kasi daw pag sa pelikula isang camera.
Right.
So,
Different
ang
angles.
daming angles.
Different
Yeah.
angles. But wait, guys,
Masaya naman.
did you actually rehearse?
Oo.
Did you rehearse?
Of course,
we did.
That's
No, the movements. Yung movements lang. Yung movements.
without having to
Kasi
kiss.
yung camera ganyan.
Okay.
Ikaw naman.
Sobrang
Dapat i-rehearse mo na talaga.
Parang ako pa yung
It's like a dance. Ano ang reaction mo nung in one of the interviews of Sam, sabi niya, yummier?
Ano?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi niya naman kasi, hindi naman siya ganun sa set eh. Hindi naman niya.
Sinasabi
Sobrang
niya sa labas.
nire-respeto niya naman talaga ako. So, hindi naman siya ganun type.
So gusto mo respetuhin ka niya ng a little less. I don't know. Pwede? Konti, bawas.
Hindi masyado tong mabait eh.
Masyadong mabait.
Thank you.
Ano bang gusto mo, Bea? Bad boy or yung mabait?
Ewan ko ba? Hindi ko masasagot eh.
Sasagot ngayon?
Hindi, pwede rin. Pwede naman kahit ano.
Na ako, ang tanong ko, I mean, because you
Namumula.
Kasi,
wait, you have intimate scenes in the movie, right? Ano yun, hindi nakakadala? Sabi, anong hindi nakakadala?
Siguro kasi Tito Boy din friends na sila before pa because they've worked together, they see each other on ASAP.
And then maging sino ko man, every day, tapos lagi kaming kapitbahay.
Yeah.
But not when you have intimate scenes
they had to play music para
They had to play
naman.
music.
Siyempre, para put us in the
to put
mood.
you in the, right.
Ay, speaking of
work,
kapitbahay, you know, I read somewhere na si Sam daw laging dumadalaw sa bahay mo.
Hindi naman.
Is that
Totoo
true?
ba yun?
No, afterwards,
Hindi.
sabay ba kayo umuwi? Convoy? Or...
Lagi nagkakataon na
Pero hindi mo siya inahatid pa uwi?
Hindi na, kasi kailangan niya na matulog kasi mas marami siyang ginagawa sa akin. So, kailangan niya yung matulog.
Okay. And I Love You So.
And I Love You
I'm
So.
so proud of the movie. Trailer pa lamang po mga kaibigan ay parang ayaw na natin breathtaking. It's really a nice trailer.
If you were to
Yeah,
say,
very exciting.
and I love you so to someone, who would you say it to, Sam?
Sige nga, Sam.
Bea.
To
You'd
Bea.
say it to Bea?
Why?
Well, you know, she's been someone that's been so nice to me the whole time through showbiz. Malaking tulong siya sa acting ko and all the projects I've done, and she's been so caring and wala.
Bongga.
Okay, si Bea.
Are you falling? No, it's in your eyes, Sam. I'm sorry. I mean, you know, I'm just watching you.
We're on the bus.
Are you falling?
Hindi, we've been friends for a long time. You know,
Sabi mo in one interview you're open, di ba?
I'm open.
Right.
The possibility is syempre there's a possibility naman, but you know, we have a really good friendship naman, and
Go ahead. Hindi naman pinipilit yung mga possibilities na yun, right? Okay.
Si
And I
Bea
Love You
naman.
So. Right.
And I
go
love
Bea.
you so. Who would you say it to?
Siyempre kay Sam na rin. Kay Sam.
Oy, ba yan? Really?
Hindi, kay Sam. Kasi alam mo, sa totoo lang, isa sa pinaka-pure-hearted na tao na nakilala ko talaga. Seryoso, pag sinasabi ko na he's like a kid, hindi ko sinasabi na childish siya. Sinasabi ko yun kasi, diba yung mga bata, sobrang